Banks are expected to further tighten standards for commercial real estate loans, according to a new Federal Reserve report. The report stated that banks are becoming increasingly nervous about commercial real estate and lending to businesses in general, with respondents reporting tighter standards and weaker demand for commercial and industrial loans. The July Senior Loan Officer Opinion Survey on Bank Lending Practices received responses from 66 banks, 19 U.S. branches, and agencies of foreign banks. And the survey found that banks of all sizes reported tighter standards and weaker demand for all commercial real estate loan categories. Tightening was similar among smaller banks as well. The survey included two special sets of questions. The first asked about current lending standards compared to the midpoint of a range they have been in since 2005. And the second set asked about bank expectations for changes in their standards in the second half of the year and reasons for any changes. The results showed the banks expect to tighten standards on construction and land development loans, as well as non-farm, non-residential loans. A moderate net share of banks also said they would tighten standards in all residential real estate loan categories, including those that are GSE eligible. While the report offers insight into the banking industry, its sample size is limited. As of the first quarter of 2023, there were 4,672 FDIC insured institutions and 3,006 FDIC supervised institutions, meaning that the responses from the largest banks may not be representative of the industry as a whole. Nonetheless, the report suggests that banks are continuing to tighten lending standards and the weaker demand for commercial real estate loans is expected to continue. Uh, Now, if you're in need of an experienced commercial real estate broker, I can help you with both real estate and lending. My number is 281 222 0433.